Hello everybody, welcome to the Flat Thunder channel. Today we're going to talk about a foundation repair that was performed on a basement foundation that had buckling walls. This repair was on a 30-foot wall. 15 feet of the wall was buckled inward for the first 2/3 of the wall, and the top 1/3 was buckled the opposing way, exposing a large gap at a mortar joint, one that was large enough you could stick your hand in. And the remaining 15 feet was also buckled in the same fashion, but the first course above the slab was slid inward approximately 3 inches, exposing the open cores on the exterior of the wall. Now I'm going to attempt a sketch to illustrate the extent of the damage. The first step in any basement repair is planning on how to support the house safely while excavating the wall and straightening the wall. In this particular application, we built what I refer to as a super truss. You will see it in the pictures. It is a 6x6 structure, makes an L, and the structure itself is lagged to the floor. It's braced against the floor joists, and it's forced to be square. There's also a board, 6x6 board against the wall, but it is free to move back and forth, so you can jack against the rear support and push the front support out. The only way the house could fall is if this 6x6 structure were to collapse or get knocked out of square. After the internal supports were in place, we were able to excavate the exterior wall with a Kubota U35 excavator. Very nice piece of equipment. I wish I owned one. We used C-channel to squeeze the exterior walls. We had one C-channel on the interior, one C-channel on the exterior, and 3/4 inch threaded steel rod to squeeze the walls back together. The top of the wall, the top 1/3 beneath the house, and the first course was in the correct position, so squeezing it helped take the bow out. You'll be able to see some of that in the pictures. After the wall is in the correct position, we chipped out the mortar on the exterior of the wall, tuck pointed all the joints. That took a long time. And then we back plastered the wall with a thin layer of mortar. As soon as the mortar cured, we were able to seal it with a tar. Drainage is very important, so in this application we backfilled the entire cavity next to the foundation with 6 and 7 gravel. This allows the water to drain rather quickly when it lands next to the house, and it will be washed away by the footer tile and pumped out with the sump pump. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope the video was educational and helped some of those do-it-yourselfers out there resolve the mystery of basement foundation repair. If you like what you saw, please go down and hit the like button. If you didn't like what you saw or you have a question for me, go ahead and leave it in the comments section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.